So I'm making this video and I always forget to say anything. Anyway, this is an Avanti II. It's a 1976. This is a 400 cubic inch, of course, Chevrolet short block. It's got the Frigidaire GM air conditioning that blows ice freaking cold. It's got a great blower. Unfortunately, it does have a leak here at one of the connections, so it won't hold the Freon for too long. I have an extra windshield for it as well. It's hooked up to a Turbo 400 transmission with your Dana. I'm not sure what Dana it is, but it's got the right axle, transmission, and engine in it. It's a regular little hot rod. Okay, let's take a look underneath. Here's that Dana axle. It's got brand new exhaust. And you can see there's no rust anywhere on the frame, anywhere on the car. Everything is real nice. The exhaust got ran just beautifully. Up in here, I don't know if you can see that or not. That light's not helping, is it? It does have a power steering hose leak. I don't know if you can really see up in there. But anyway, it's a complete rust-free car. There's no rust anywhere on here. All the outriggers, all looks good. Well, that's about as close of an inspection, the real true condition of the car. Runs and drives great. You know, it's still a little project car, but it'd be a fun runner driver. I currently have it, of course, titled in my name, insured and registered. I don't have the plate on here. This plate attaches on here, so I just have the my license plate in the car. It's a great project, super rare car, built for speed. I mean, the thing really gets it on. I would probably rebuild the carburetor on it to get a little bit better action with that, but you know, it doesn't smoke. The valves seem to work great. I've been running non-ethanol, and it surely does enjoy non-ethanol fuel. So this one came also with power door locks and power windows, and the front valance there. So there will be no guessing on the actual condition of the car. So you can buy this baby with confidence. Now you've inspected it completely. And that's about it. So this car is for sale here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. 1976 Avanti 2. They ought to call it a Chevrolet Avante because it's just a Chevy underneath. It's like a Corvette, but with a different body.